Tuwang-tuwa.
Hi, nandito na ako sa Hat Yai. Tama ba? Hat Yai?
Yan.
Hat Yai, Thailand. And they're cooking bakute.
Yeah,
Bak-
delicious, delicious.
Delicious.
Okay.
Bakute ang title. Ang laman is oxtail. And then ribs. And then nilalagay nila sa hot pot. Sorry. May dadaan daw. Tapos ayan na. Ayun.
Where
Putol-putol.
I come from?
They're cutting it.
Where I come from?
Excuse me.
That's right. They're cutting it. And then they'll put it there. And then put soup, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How much is one?
This premium 220.
220 baht. Yan, 220. Bakute, sikat po ito. Ayan o, bakute. Kasama ko siyempre ang aking mga fabulous friends na sina Ronald Victor Leon who brought us here, and Alex Cosme and Juliet. Hi! Hi! Ayan. Ayan, dito kami, kakain kami ng bakute in Thailand!